Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power locks, tachometer, brake assist, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, rear window wiper, passenger vanity mirror, rear spoiler. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.